Students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. And now, today in today's lecture, we will discuss about the informal invitation. Informal invitation. Firstly, we just have to discuss what are informal invitation. Informal invitations are sent for personal occasions like close friends, relatives. Okay, they are written in the form of personal letters. Okay, we can just write in the form of personal letter that I told you earlier also, na, like dear bhaiya and bhabhi, dear mama and mami. The style is relaxed and informal. No things are there, just strict, no strict rules are there. Informal invitations can include personal feelings and emotions. What they can include? Personal feelings, emotion that so sorry, yaar, I can't come. It's not possible for me to come. Okay, firstly, we will just discuss about the format. I think it is visible on the screen. You are opening an exclusive parlor for ladies. Write an informal invitation inviting your best friend for its inauguration. What will you write in the form of letter if it is sender address? What's the sender address? 23 Mall Road, Nainital. If it is given, so you are just bound to write the same one only. If it is not given, so you can write any one as per your choice. Okay, and in the next line, what will we write? Date, that is 5th June 2000, cross mean to say 2021, whatever it's going on, you can just write dear Josephine. Okay, this is salutation. In the formal invitations, we always write dear sir, dear ma'am, but in the informal, we can just write direct the name. Finally, my dream of opening an exclusive parlor for ladies has come true. That my dream was that, and it comes true. Well, I have named it SNIP. And do you know who is coming for the inauguration? Deepika herself. Okay, who is coming for the inauguration? The inauguration is on Saturday, 18th June, 6 p.m. What's the time? 6 p.m. What's the date? 18th June. What's the day? That is Saturday. Do come. Please just come. Your presence will grace our function. And like these words, oops, you are not allowed to use these type of word in the formal invitation. Okay, this is informal, so we are writing like oops, I forgot to tell you the location. It's next to Archie's and Cafe Day. What's the venue? Next to the Archie's Gallery. You are affectionately, that is subscription, that the end of the you can say close up. And who's the sender of this invitation? That is Manya. Okay, and here is the next one, that is Hocus Pocus, the magic of focus, presents the Mother's Pride Baby Show. You are the secretary, Mother's Pride group. Prepare an informal invitation for the same. Okay, firstly, what they have written, like the email ID. Okay, you can just write the address also, it's your choice. Okay, www.mothersprideonline.com. 1st June 2000, cross dear parents. Okay, this is for all the parents, so it's written dear parents. The Magic Baby Show is back. A show that will showcase your baby's most spellbinding antiques and qualities. It's just going to enhance the qualities in your child. Okay, avail this opportunity and make your little heroes turn into mega star and superheroes. By this, you can make your children superstars. Okay, Mother's Pride Network has the proud privilege to invite you on the occasion of the Mother Pride's baby show on Monday. Okay, and when it is on 29th June 2000, cross at all the branches. How many branches we are having in all the branches? That says do participate and win prizes. For registration details, contact on this number. Who is writing this? That is Secretary of Mother's Pride Group. Okay, and here is for the informal we have done. Now it is time to do the replies to the invitation. If you get any invitation, okay, if you get any invitation, how will you reply for that? Okay, this is for the same only, and it is also very much important. Okay, reply to an invitation is written to the host in response to the invitation who has done your who has invite you. Okay, it also informs the host whether you attending or not attending the occasion. A good reply is always pleasant. Okay, I'm just telling you some common things. For example, in our school function is there. Okay, we are just going to organize the function on the 26th January. Okay, on the Republic Day we have organized a function. We have just invite to, you can say, dig or dsp or mla, any chairperson. Okay, you have just invited. Okay, but that the reply of the person is must there. If he has not given any reply, so it's not sure. Okay, whenever you also invite to somebody, you also said this thing ki sir please reply me, you will come to the our function or not. Okay, like this. So for that only, that if they will be able, then the anchor can just change over the things. If they are not going to able, so we can just cut their names. Okay, or if it is required, so we can just announce the name once, but after that it's not required. Okay, formal replies. Firstly we will do about the formal replies. Formal replies involve a certain standard and form. It must be written in the certain standardized form honi chahiye. They are usually very short and at to the point. They are not like this कि मेरा बच्चा बीमार हो गया मैं नहीं आ पा रहा. We can just give any professional excuses. Okay, sometime it just look unprofessional if these type of things are here. In a formal reply, first all the invitation is acknowledged, for which thanks are written in the third person, that we are very much thankful for you. Okay, acceptance is communicated or regretted, shown if the person is unable to attend the occasion. In case of non attending, a specific reason is to be given. Reason must be specific, some professional reason must be there in the formal replies. Okay, draft a suitable reply to that. Mrs. and Mr. K.L. Shastri request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the wedding of their son Mohit with Manya, daughter of Mrs. and Mr. Deepak Mehta, Jammu, on Monday, 15th October, this at 7 p.m. This hotel, Mount View sector, this and this is. This is the invitation. Okay, I have written. Now we will just write the same in the two form, accepting and declining. In the first we will write if we are accepting the invitation. In the second we will write if we are declining the invitation. If we are accepting, Mr. Rakesh Rana has much pleasure in accepting the invitation of Mrs. and Mr. K.L. Shastri to the marriage of their son Mohit on 15th October this. Accepting. Declining, Mr. Rakesh Rana sincerely thanks Mrs. and Mr. K.L. Shastri. Okay, he is just thankful for inviting for their kind invitation to the wedding of their son Mohit on 15th October 2000 cross at 7 p.m. But regrets that what he is lamented. पश्चाताप हो रहा है उसे his inability to attend, he will not be able to come in the function because of a prior engagement. Why he will not be able to come? Because he is having any engagement is there. Okay, he wishes Mohit a blissful conjugal life. कि conjugal mean to say couplet life. You can say ना कि जोड़ियाँ बनी रहे वैसे. तो उसको कहते हैं कि मैं आशीर्वाद दे रहा हूँ, blessing to that, but I'll not be able to come in the function. Okay my dear student, I'll share the PDF also. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye, take care.